We have another certificate program for welding. This is a 3-semester program for a college certificate. It sounds like a long time compared to some of the other welding programs in Nebraska, Kansas, or Wyoming, but our class meetings are 5 hours a week. Ours takes longer, but with the fewer hours per week, we enable students to enroll in other courses. If they wanted to work at a feedlot, they could take a welding course as well as nutrition and health management for livestock. If they wanted to have their own welding shop, they could take welding classes as well as business classes. And so that's the difference between our program and other programs, is that students can blend into other topics to their schedule. Another neat thing of our program is that part of our curriculum, 3rd semester, trains students to try to get their steel certification, AWS certification. And Reiki, again, is a partner, allowing their weld inspector to come out and administer industry-based, off-campus person administering the test. Our welding program also has added a 4th semester for students that maybe would like to have another welding class for the last half of their 2nd year. We call it metal fabrication, and in that we're going to include units of TIG welding aluminum, use of a robot welder, setting and servicing, doing some work with manual metal lathe, turning lathe, and as well as a plasma cutting table. And then we have 2 Miller Continuum welders, and we'll be able to even offer the opportunity for aluminum AWS certification. So taking the level up a notch and bringing a lot of technology into our program.